How to increase Snapchat friends limit. The very first thing you have to do is open up your Snapchat. So once you get to your profile on Snapchat, you're gonna have to tap on My Friends. If you guys didn't know, on Snapchat you can have a maximum of 6,000 friends, but there is no limit to how many people can add you. So if you have somehow maximized the 6,000 friend limit and you want to add more friends, then in that case, I highly doubt that all of those 6,000 of your friends are active. So you're going to have to find those who are not active anymore and you're going to have to remove them. So to do that, just tap on their profile and then from here, tap on the three lines at the top right and then tap on Manage Friendship and then Remove. By doing this, you will clear out some of the spaces on your Snapchat friend list and you'll be able to add more people that are active. That is the only thing that you can do as of now to increase the limit of your friends on Snapchat. That's it for this video, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.